chicken and dumplings, strawberry shortcake, welcome home. There is nothing that says welcome home more than homemade chicken and dumplings cooking on the stove. And I should know. I'm Stacy Lyn Harris, a mom of 7 kids and the wife of 1 hungry husband. And I have been cooking 27 meals a day for a very long time. I'm a 3-time cookbook author, I'm a lifestyle blogger and a TV chef. And I want you to come to my live cooking class on June the 30th. You are gonna learn to cook like a pro. I'm gonna take you step by step, walking through exactly how to make homemade chicken stock, dumplings, and strawberry shortcake. The homemade chicken stock is the base for hundreds of other comfort food recipes. You just have to learn it. It's super easy, and the ingredients are probably right in your refrigerator. You're gonna also learn how to make dumplings that don't fall apart when you put them in the stock, and they're not too doughy. And with that same dumpling recipe, you're gonna learn to make strawberry shortcake. One huge bonus is that you're gonna have all of this information at your fingertips and all in one place in one ebook. And it's gonna go from recipes to storage to reheating tips to grocery list. You need this class. So sign up today by clicking the link in this post. I'm Stacy Lyn Harris, and I look forward to seeing you in class.